Today, I'm going to touch on two platforms that can help you transform your business. Number one is Ecom Boardroom. Now, this is a place where you can grow organically by up to 204% plus more if you're using the steps that you need to do. Now, the leading e-commerce SEO platform is what we're talking about today, but I'm also going to touch on fulfillment, which is where you should be going once you have the rest of the stuff that you have to do all sorted out. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I actually talk about this every single day on this YouTube channel, giving you tips on what platforms work, what features work, and every single time telling you why you should go with fulfillment, because that is the key to all of this process. Now, combining that with Ecom Boardroom today is a winning success. So if you decide to listen to me, let me know in the comments if it works. Let's get into it. All right, guys, first let's go into ecomboardroom.com. Like I said, growing organic traffic by 204% with the leading e-commerce SEO platform. It uses an AI to find untapped keywords in your product category, generating the SEO. And I'm going to show you a quick way to do this. All right, but this is a really cool project, and you can see it's helping over 800 plus e-commerce brands, and they are partnered with what I'm going to speak to today about fulfillment. Now, SEO is the most reliable way to grow e-commerce. I can tell you right now, every single time I have tried dropshipping, even the failures, never mind the successful ones that have made me all this money, the failures, it was always down to the SEO. Always. Okay. Here, you're going to allow to grow with professionals on an AI platform that does this for you. Okay. For Boardroom users, about 488%. That is something that everybody is going to want a piece of. And you're saving about 10 hours a day. I don't want to bore you with just reading what's on the website. I want to actually show you how this works. All right. So you can see inside here in my account. All right. It is super easy to look at. You can see the keyword research is probably, in my opinion, the most important, okay? Keyword research is super important. So let's go with Shopify here, right? As an example, it'll show you exactly what keywords are coming up, and just one click, you can create that blog post, okay? So for example, let's go to Shopify store. I want to speak about that today. Create a blog post. What's going to happen now is it's going to start generating the things that I need. So AI performance presentation in football and rugby. That's what I did the last one, okay? Watch this. I'm going to go in here. This is the keyword. Topic of the article: how to build a Shopify store. Let's go in less than 3 minutes. Okay, describe the AI to you. I want it to be friendly but professional. I hope that's how I come across on here. Okay, desired word count doesn't really matter. Let's go with 590. All right, any additional instructions? I would like this to be as simple to understand as possible. All right, create the blog post. Watch what happens here. All right, this is absolutely insane. It generates it, takes about 30 seconds to a minute. You now have all of these. Okay, and you can see which ones I've used before. The best snowboards 2024. I've stopped your dog from pulling during walks. Anything, guys. All right, this has now been created. How to build a Shopify store in less than 3 minutes. Let's go and have a look and see what this is going. It gives you the step 1, sign up, step 2, step 3, all the way through. Pretty good block, but it gets better than that. We now go into the SEO editor. This is insane, okay? And you can go through all these different SEO tips. Right now, we're about 76. So this says you should add a meta description to your content. Okay, no problem. Okay, you can go to the input tab and start doing this as well. You go through all the different points, what you've got, what you don't have, what you should have in. Your content contains less than 2 links. We should add our links in there, and so on, guys. So you can see how easy this is. Now, that's just one of the tools. Okay, if we go to, for example, create content, another feature inside this app. Okay, you can do product description, blog posts. We've already done that. So let's go to product description and show you how to do this. All right, short description of my thing. Let's go with black microphone. Okay, what is the brand it should mention? Let's go Shure. Okay, describe your target audience, content creators. Keywords that I want to use. Okay, no echo. I want to use stuff like voice control. Okay, and you can get all this from the keyword research. All right, describe the tone you like the AI. Okay, again, I'm going to go friendly. Any additional instructions? No, let's generate the product description. This will give me now a perfect description for the product that I'm selling. So you see, it's more than just one-stop shop. So introduce the Shure Black microphone, the ultimate tool for the content creators, designed with experience of features, no echo mode, voice control, high quality sound, user-friendly, durable design, and so on. Okay, and you can redraft the instructions if there's something you don't like. So it's literally this easy, guys. This is how fast you can drive traffic to your business, and for a price, this is going to shock you, of as little as $24 a month. Then you can actually have this locked away today. This is insane, guys. Now, does this work if you only use this platform? It does work, but what would benefit this? Because having that platform is fantastic to get rid of your products, to get all the SEO, to get all the content ready, but actually having a fulfillment service is what you need with the product. So pairing these together is a winning success in dropshipping. Fulfillment is a service of dropshipping from China, right? Fulfillment and dropshipping center that's going to allow you to take your business to the next level with people that are actually trusted. You can see their reviews on Trustpilot, guys, loads of articles. All right, what can they do for you? Dropshipping, China sourcing, Amazon FBA services, crowd fulfillment, product photography, private line, and so on. And you should choose this if you're an entrepreneur, a small business, a dropshipper, a global brand, or if you're watching this video. All right, you're going to get global reach, local expertise, personalized support, and cost effectiveness, and all the features. Now, I want you to go onto the YouTube channel and look at more fulfillment, okay, and dive more into it. I'm going to tell you today just to get a free quote, because this paired with Boardroom, it is a winning solution. So there you go, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe with the bell if you're notified. Get Boardroom with the links down below. Get fulfillment free quote and just check it out. Together, it's successful. Trust me, because I did it. So guys, I'll see you on the next video.